other video for you guys. This is doing a video on changing over the LED board and my tail lights. The LED board, some of the LEDs started going out, so I have a used LED board here from another car. One of my customers, he gave me his used tail lights because he didn't need them anymore with it in. So I already took this one out of the other tail light that I had. So this is the LED board. This is what it looks like inside of your tail lights. So it's not like a regular LED bulb. It's an LED board with all these little LEDs on it, and then the resistors and everything here. So I'll give you guys like a close-up look of what the LEDs look like. So these shine bright red. It doesn't have like a max to it or anything like that. It's just a board. Okay, so when the light shines through the tail light, it's because it's an LED, the LED board inside. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm in the process of taking this one out where it has 4 screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the plug that connects to it. So that stays slid in here. So what I did was I just pulled it up. That just pops right up and comes out. And then from there, this is the gasket to make sure no water gets into the tail light itself. So make sure if you have these gaskets, make sure you check them to see if they're still good. This one is still good because I remember I replaced this one. I put a new gasket in. And also the tail lights, the LED board in the inside, it has a gasket also that goes around here. But after a certain amount of years, these go bad. So it's a good idea if you're gonna go like replace the LED board, I would replace this gasket also around. It just comes right out, and then you just slide it right back in, and it's good to go. And then you just line up everything. So right now I'm just gonna take out these 4 screws. It's 1 screw. Two screws. This one I had to put a little pressure on it to get it out because it's a little rusty. But I'll reuse some of the other screws from the other taillight housing to get it. So this is the 4th and last screw. Take out 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. So now I'm gonna lift up. There's gonna be 2 tabs. There's gonna be 1 tab here and 1 tab here that you have to lift up. So what I do is I push this tab out. That tab right there, I just push it out and slide up that piece, and then this will come right out. And you just push this tab down a little. So then that pops up. This is my LED board. So what I'm going to be doing now is taking this LED board out, which one of the LEDs went out, and putting this board in where this one works. Okay? I'll catch back the video. Put the LED board over, it was like this. Just flip it over. It's going to be a tab here to press on to get the LED board out. That's it. This one's out. The one with one of the LEDs went out. And then this one, which is good. Just plug this connector into here, and it should snap right in. So I'm going to snap that right in and catch back the video for you guys. Alright, so now it's snapped in, locked it in place over here for the taillight LED board. So now I'm going to pull up on this connector, make sure the gasket's in. Push it down, pull this up. Okay. Just put the screws back in. 4 screws. 1, 2. 3. 4. Because I know this video needs to be out there, because there's a lot of people driving around. I've seen a lot of TLs with the taillight LEDs out. They probably didn't even notice the LEDs were out, but it's as simple as either going online and ordering another one, or just buying a used one, or you can buy an OEM one. I think it's like $115. If you don't have $115, then you can always look for one in the junkyard or whatever, make sure it works, and then just swap over the board and use it for the time being. Me, I'm gonna buy another LED board to replace this one. This is just temporary for the time being, and then I'll eventually down the line I'll replace it with a brand new one, because I don't believe in used parts. But hey, if you want to buy it, then that's fine. But a customer gave me this for free, so that's why I'm just swapping this over, just to fix it for the time being, because I have other stuff that I need to take care of. Alright, so this clip slides into here. It's this one. It slides into there, slides right there, and this gasket goes over here, like that, and that's it. Tighten on these screws, put the LED board back, plug this back in, and you're good to go. And you have your tail lights back. Make a video later on tonight showing you guys what it looks like. Alright. Alright. So the tail light is back installed. I installed the tail light back in. So I'm going to turn the headlight on without the car running. And all LEDs on. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top. 5, 6, 7, 9. All of them on. And then when I press on the brake, they'll get brighter. So now I'm good to go. Well, the car cut off because the automatic headlight shut off. But there we go.